Everyone's talking about mindset. But in the stock market, which one really wins? When optimism drives the rally, investors feel unstoppable. But when fear hits, even the confident investor starts to doubt. So what truly works? Optimism or pessimism? Join the debate. Optimism versus pessimism. What works? On 28th October 2025, Tuesday, at 7 p.m., voices from Dozen Diamonds come together to explore how these mindsets shape decisions and determine who survives market swings. Watch the marketing team face off against the Instructor team as they uncover whether success belongs to the hopeful or the cautious. Don't just follow your mindset, challenge it. Discover which mindset truly leads to smarter investing. 28th October 2025, Tuesday. 7 p.m. debate link in the description.